Are all project managers the same? Not even close. From commanding waterfall leaders to adaptive quantum strategists, discover which type of project manager you really are, and why your methodology may define your entire approach to leadership. Project managers are often seen as planners, organizers, and coordinators, but the truth is, their role dramatically shifts depending on the methodology they follow. In one framework, they're the commanding force behind every decision. In another, they quietly empower teams from behind the scenes. From the rigid hierarchy of waterfall to the fluid adaptability of Agile, from data-obsessed Six Sigma leaders to the chaos-ready rapid response tacticians, each methodology creates its own version of the project manager. This isn't just about managing tasks, it's about how leadership, decision-making, and team dynamics are reshaped by the very framework guiding your project. Get ready to discover how your methodology might already define your leadership style more than you think. In today's fast-evolving world of project management, there's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all project manager. Each methodology, from waterfall and Agile to Lean, Six Sigma, and even quantum project management, defines not only how projects are executed but also how project managers lead, make decisions, and interact with their teams. Understanding these variations is essential for professionals navigating diverse industries, teams, and project environments. Whether you're a certified PMP, a Scrum Master, or an accidental project manager, knowing how your role shifts across methodologies can sharpen your adaptability, expand your leadership range, and boost your project's success rate. In this guide, we'll compare the key differences in project manager roles across 10 prominent methodologies, exploring their leadership styles, decision-making powers, focus areas, and team dynamics. 1. Waterfall methodology project manager role. In the waterfall model, the project manager is the primary authority and decision-maker throughout the project lifecycle. Their role is structured, directive, and focused on maintaining control across clearly defined sequential phases: requirements, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Key responsibilities: develop and maintain a comprehensive project plan with fixed scope, cost, and schedule. Assign tasks and resources, track progress, and ensure deliverables meet specifications. Manage risk proactively and maintain strict change control procedures. Act as the primary point of communication between the client, stakeholders, and the development team. Leadership style: command and control. Skills required: planning, scheduling, documentation, stakeholder management, cost control. Team interaction: top-down, formal communication. Team follows PM instructions closely. 2. Agile, Scrum framework, project manager role. The traditional project manager role is de-emphasized in Scrum. Responsibilities are distributed between the Scrum Master, who facilitates the process, and the product owner, who manages the product backlog. A PM, if present, takes a more supportive, coordination-based role. Key responsibilities, if PM exists: facilitate collaboration and protect the team from external interruptions. Support the Scrum Master in removing impediments. Align sprint goals with business strategy and long-term planning. Coordinate with external stakeholders and align multiple Agile teams. Leadership style: servant leadership. Skills required: Agile mindset, coaching, facilitation, emotional intelligence. Team interaction: collaborative, cross-functional, self-organizing teams. 3. Prince 2. Projects in controlled environments. Project manager role. The PM works within a tightly defined governance structure. They manage day-to-day project activities and are accountable to a project board, which makes high-level decisions. Every activity is process-driven and documented. Key responsibilities: produce the project initiation document, PID, and stage plans. Manage tolerances and escalate issues beyond preset boundaries. Maintain focus on business justification and ensure controlled progress. Conduct stage boundary reviews, risk management, and benefits tracking. Leadership style: directive but constrained by governance. Skills required: documentation, governance adherence, structured planning. Team interaction: formal, with well-defined reporting lines. 4. PMBOK, by PMI, project manager role. The PM is a knowledge-driven leader who applies PMI's 5 process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing, and 10 knowledge areas. They must manage trade-offs between scope, cost, time, risk, quality, and stakeholder expectations. Key responsibilities: integrate project plans across all knowledge areas. Balance triple constraints: time, cost, scope. Apply risk management strategies and ensure stakeholder alignment. Lead cross-functional teams and foster performance through communication and negotiation. Leadership style: process-oriented, leadership through knowledge. Skills required: integration, risk, procurement, communication, leadership. Team interaction: structured but adaptive based on process requirements. 5. Kanban project manager role. Kanban is flow-based and doesn't require a traditional PM. If a PM is present, their role becomes that of a flow facilitator, ensuring continuous delivery without overburdening the team. Key responsibilities: visualize work using Kanban boards. Manage work in progress, WIP, limits and cycle times. Identify and remove bottlenecks. Promote a culture of continuous delivery and incremental improvement. Leadership style: facilitator and systems thinker. Skills required: systems thinking, process optimization, metrics analysis. Team interaction: empowering, feedback-driven. 6. Extreme programming, XP, project manager role. In XP, the PM, often referred to as coach or facilitator, ensures rapid feedback loops and supports practices such as pair programming, test-driven development, and continuous integration. Key responsibilities: align technical practices with customer needs and business value. Plan and manage iterations, weekly or bi-weekly. Foster a sustainable development pace and quality-first culture. Facilitate collaboration among developers, testers, and customers. Leadership style: technical enabler and coach. Skills required: software development knowledge, rapid iteration management, team dynamics. Team interaction: informal, deeply collaborative. 7. Lean project management project manager role. The PM in Lean is a value stream leader who identifies and eliminates non-value-adding activities, waste. They focus on customer value, flow efficiency, and cross-functional collaboration. Key responsibilities: lead Kaizen events and continuous improvement cycles. Monitor and improve value stream performance. Implement visual management and root cause analysis. Promote lean culture and mindset across teams. Leadership style: collaborative, efficiency-driven. Skills required: value stream mapping, process re-engineering, lean metrics, e.g., talk time. Team interaction: team focused with daily improvements. 8. Six Sigma, DMAIC project manager role. In Six Sigma, the PM is often a black belt or green belt, focused on eliminating defects and improving process performance using DMAIC: define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Key responsibilities: define problem statements and project charters. Lead data-driven analysis and statistical tests. Drive root cause identification and process optimization. Ensure improvements are sustained through control plans. Leadership style: analytical and quality-focused. Skills required: statistics, process control, quality management tools, e.g., SPC, DO. Team interaction: cross-functional collaboration guided by metrics. 9. Rapid Response Project Management, RRPM, project manager role. The PM in RRPM is a crisis responder who acts quickly and decisively through phases such as alarm, containment, and attack plan. The PM must maintain clarity, speed, and resource agility in high-pressure, high-stakes environments. Key responsibilities: detect and declare emergencies early. Mobilize team and resources in hours or even minutes. Make fast decisions with incomplete data. Reorganize workflows dynamically to contain and eliminate threats. Leadership style: action-oriented, intuitive, adaptive. Skills required: crisis management, rapid mobilization, decisive leadership, improvisation. Team interaction: real-time, intense, chain of command under pressure. 10. Quantum project management, QPM, project manager role. The PM in QPM is a complexity navigator, leading projects in uncertain, nonlinear, and dynamic systems. This methodology embraces probability, emergence, and adaptive behavior, requiring PMs to think across multiple possibilities simultaneously. Key responsibilities: recognize patterns and interpret signals in volatile environments. Manage through dynamic models rather than fixed plans. Facilitate decentralized decision-making and adaptive learning. Coordinate across multiple feedback loops and iterations. Leadership style: emergent, facilitative, intuitive. Skills required: systems thinking, ambiguity tolerance, adaptive leadership, resilience. Team interaction: networked, trust-based, decentralized collaboration. As we've seen, the role of a project manager is far from static, it's dynamic, evolving, and deeply influenced by the chosen methodology. Whether you're guiding a team through the predictability of Waterfall, the adaptability of Agile, the precision of Six Sigma, or the uncertainty of quantum project management, your leadership style must align with the needs of the framework and the people within it. The best project managers are those who not only understand these differences but can shift between them when the project demands it. So, take a moment to reflect, not just on what kind of project manager you are today, but on how flexible and method-aware you can become tomorrow. The more methodologies you master, the more versatile and valuable you become in leading any challenge, anywhere. Comparison of project manager roles across 10 methodologies. The role of the project manager varies significantly depending on the project management methodology in use. Each framework redefines the project manager's responsibilities, authority, leadership style, and interaction with teams. In traditional methodologies like Waterfall and Prince2, the project manager assumes a centralized, directive role, with full control over scope, time, and cost. They manage top-down, relying on rigid plans, documentation, and sequential execution. These roles require strong planning, coordination, and risk management skills. On the other hand, Agile and Kanban frameworks promote decentralized and collaborative leadership. The project manager often takes on a servant leader or facilitator role, like a Scrum Master or Flow Facilitator, empowering self-organizing teams and focusing on iteration, adaptability, and stakeholder value. Their responsibilities are distributed, and emphasis is placed on team dynamics, continuous delivery, and communication. PMBOK, PMI, represents a balanced, process-driven approach. The project manager integrates multiple knowledge areas, aligning objectives across stakeholders while maintaining control over performance and deliverables. It combines traditional rigor with flexible decision-making. XP, extreme programming, and Lean emphasize technical leadership and value-driven delivery. The PM here supports engineering excellence and process flow, acting more as a coach or value stream leader than a taskmaster. Six Sigma repositions the project manager as a data-driven problem solver, often certified as a black belt. Their focus is statistical control, root cause analysis, and process improvement through the DMAIC cycle. In contrast, rapid response project management demands an action-oriented, fast-moving crisis leader capable of mobilizing teams quickly, adapting in real time, and making decisions under pressure. Finally, quantum project management introduces a facilitative and complexity-aware role, where the project manager navigates uncertainty, adapts to nonlinear change, and leads through systems thinking and feedback loops. Each methodology tailors the PM's role to its operational philosophy, whether it's control, agility, improvement, or adaptability. Understanding these distinctions is critical for selecting the right approach and leadership style for each project environment.